Hey guys, welcome back to Free Car Repair. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video to any of you guys trying to find the air conditioner fuses on Honda Odyssey, that generation here from year 2011 to year 2017, guys. You have up to 3 fuses that control the AC system. One is for the AC clutch, AC compressor, and the AC system as well. So we'll demonstrate where each one of those is located, where you can buy cheap fuses and relays, that way you don't waste your money, and why it's important to test fuses and relays. All that will be covered for your convenience. Make sure to stay until the end. Before we start, let me tell you a little bit about us. If you guys have a Honda Odyssey, that generation from year 2011 all the way to year 2017, guys, we will make a video about every single fuse, every relay. Why? Because in the manual sometimes it's not clear what the fuses relays are for. Okay, it could say something like FI. How do you know that this is the fuel injection, but actually it's for the fuel pump? So we're going to make video for every single fuse, every relay, because most of you will eventually even lose your manuals and they're not clear written, guys. We're doing that to save you time and money. So if you need to find a fuse and you're down the road, let's say you need to find the engine starter fuse, all you have to do, just search for it. 1 second, the video pops out and you can find which fuse you need to check. Another thing now, guys, we're constantly working here at the garage on cars, constantly taking things apart, and we make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos on every car we get at the garage. We have more than 1.2 million subscribers on our channels, guys. Check it out if you need help with mechanical work, body work, anything like that, it will be there. Now, something else, guys, relays, fuses, okay, they could be really expensive. You have special fuses, you can see like the JK's fuses, you have mini blade fuses, multi-fuse box, okay, and these fuses could be really expensive. So guys, we're going to show you those are Honda specific fuses that can be really hard to find, or they can cost you a lot of money. So we'll put a link in the description of the video below where you can get fuses, relays at a good price and quick shipping as well. So let's go ahead and continue now. So let's explain now, guys, where that AC fuse is located, which fuses you need to check for that one specifically. We'll demonstrate on 2015 Honda Odyssey. Fun fact, you have 5 different fuse boxes, but we'll need to work in just 2 of them, fortunately. The first fuse box is located inside your Honda Odyssey, on the driver's side, right under the dash. If you guys look all the way upside down, above the pedals, in the corner, you're going to see, let me show you a fuse box layout that looks just like this one right here. Now, before we continue, let's explain why it's important to test fuses and relays. So let me explain why it's super important, guys, to test fuses. Fuses, not often you can see if they're burnt or they're good. Sometimes they may seem perfectly fine, you think it's a good fuse, you put it back in, and you end up spending money and time on parts and problems that do not exist, guys, when all you had to do, test your fuse, find out it's bad, replace it, fix your problem. So we will have a video how to test a fuse, okay, different kinds of fuses, and how to test relays, guys. We're going to put the link in the description of the video below, specifically to that video. Please check it out. Here in that fuse box, we'll need to check 2 fuses. If we zoom in a little bit for the AC, guys, we'll need to check fuse number 10. Next to the fuses, you'll see your numbers. This is fuse number 10 right here. Will need to be checked first. Then we have one more fuse that we need to check in that fuse box, and we're talking about fuse number 26, talking about that one right there that you need to check. Now, there is one more fuse box under the hood that we'll need to open, and we're talking, guys, okay, about the main fuse box, okay, right here. That's the main fuse box. If you open that fuse box, that's the layout right here. Which fuse we need to check for this one here now, specifically, guys, okay? There is one more fuse that we'll need to check, and if you count here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, and then you come right here, guys, that's fuse number 17 right here. That's okay for the AC system as well. So hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching and see you guys next time.